In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Activecampaign for more businesses. If you manage email marketing for more than one business inside Activecampaign, the key is staying organized and keeping each brand separate. You will do that by setting up separate lists for your contacts, creating folders for your campaigns, and double-checking your sender details before you send anything. Start by going to Contacts and then click Lists. This area is where Activecampaign groups your subscribers, and it is the easiest way to make sure the right people receive the right emails. Click Add a List, then name the list for your first business, using a clear name that you will recognize quickly. Save it, and then repeat the same process to create a second list for your second business. From this point on, be consistent about adding contacts to the correct list, because your list selection controls who receives each campaign. Next, go to Campaigns. To keep your email drafts and sends from getting mixed together, open Manage Folders. Create a folder for each business. These folders act like separate filing cabinets, so when you come back later to review performance, duplicate an email, or find a past campaign, everything stays easy to locate. Use straightforward folder names that match the business names, and keep each campaign saved in the correct folder as you build it. When you are ready to send an email, make sure you select the specific list for the business you are emailing. This is the most important checkpoint, because it determines your audience. After you select the list, go into the campaign settings and manually edit the from name and the from email so they match that business. Activecampaign can keep these fields from a previous campaign, so always take a moment to verify them before sending. This protects your brand identity, helps recipients recognize the sender, and reduces confusion if you are switching between businesses often. As a final habit, keep your naming consistent across lists and folders. Clear organization makes future sends faster and lowers the chance of sending the wrong message from the wrong identity. And that covers everything you need to know.